Well guys, you might not believe it, but since the last video, I cleaned the shop up. Yeah, it was clean. And then I drug 2 turbo 350 transmissions up in the shop and tore them down in the process of rebuilding, making one. First one I tore down, sprag disintegrated in the center support, cracked the center support, pretty much like an explosion in the transmission, so not many good parts in that one. And this other one, it was really not bad shape, so I'm in the process of rebuilding it. And just like the Falcon, when I rebuilt the transmission on it, I'm not going to video rebuilding this transmission because I don't consider myself a transmission builder, and I don't know a whole lot about building a transmission except for I'm gonna get it done. But I will put a link in the description of in case you have a TH350 you want to rebuild. I got a part 1 and part 2 videos I put in the link of the guy that I've been watching to show you how to rebuild your turbo 350. So I'll put that link down there. But yeah, I just want to do a short update, let you guys know what's going on Rat Rod Bob shop. Transmission, been working on it actually about a week now, but one of the main problems is the heat. Man, it's been so hot down here. I mean, I've been leaking out a lot of water, been drinking a lot of water, and it's just been miserable here in southern Mississippi, so I hadn't been getting a lot done on account of the heat, but we're gonna get it. So I'm waiting on some parts for the transmission. I still got a couple more things I'm gonna do to it while I'm waiting on parts. It's probably gonna be like the end of next week before I get the transmission done. And I don't know, sometime in the meantime when I'm waiting on parts, I might get caught up and be waiting on parts. I might start rubbing some silver on the chassis and on the body, and I'll definitely video that when I do that. So we'll see how that goes. But right now, this is where we're at, rebuilding the transmission. Got the engine. Well, you guys seen that, got the engine, it's 95% done. Got a couple little details to it, but it's pretty much done. So after I get the transmission built, then I got to clean the shop again and store all leftover transmission parts I got. So, all right, that's where we're at. Appreciate you.